Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. In that sixth problem we will see now. So we will learn how to solve a sixth problem. So before that we have to write what data they gave in this problem. Okay? Yes. In triangle X, Y, Z. In triangle X, Y, Z, right angle at Y, then YZ equals to X and XZ equals to 2X. XZ equals to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ and angle YZX. So these two angles we need to find out. Okay? Yes. Now we will see how to solve this. How to find out the two angles. The first thing is we need to draw a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? The name of the triangle is triangle XYZ. And right angle is at Y. So right angle should be at angle Y. Like that we need to draw a triangle. Okay. Let us draw one triangle here. Draw right angle triangle like this and mark 90 degrees here. So in the problem they gave that right angle is at Y. So 90 degrees should be Y. And the triangle name is XYZ. One angle is here. So you start like this. X here, Y, Z. So one triangle we got. XYZ triangle we got. Next, they given that YZ is equal to X. YZ. Where is YZ? This one. Y to Z. That is X. Right here. XZ 2X. XZ 2X. So right here. Okay. So we marked two lengths are given. The two lengths we marked here. And third length is not given. We need to find out this. How to find out this? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Yes. Now observe here. I will write. According to Pythagoras theorem, okay. So we need to apply Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, that means XZ square. XZ square equals to XZ square equals to XY square plus YZ square. XY square plus YZ square. So this is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now see what data we know, which lengths we know. We know XZ, we know XZ. XZ, what is the answer? 2X. So substitute here. 2X whole square equals to xy we don't know, we need to find out that. So as it is, you write xy square plus yz yz also we know that is x. So write here x square. In the next step, you write like this. 2 is there, no? 2 square into x square. 2 square into x square, like this we have to write. 2 square means what? 4. X square as it is x square. And here we have plus x square, no? Take it on left hand side, becomes minus x square. Minus x square equals to x y square. Okay. So this step what I did is 2 square I wrote 4 x square as it is x square I wrote, and right hand side we have plus x square. That plus x square I took it on left hand side, it becomes minus x square. Okay. Now simplify this. 4x square minus x square, what is the answer? 3 x square equals to x y square. Now what we have to do? Here we have square now. Square, take it on left hand side, that becomes square root. So we can write like this. Square root of 3 x square equals to xy. Now this square root is there now, apply separately for 3 and for x square. We need to write separately square root. So that means square root of 3 into square root of x square equals to xy. Now we can cancel this. What we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel square root, square we can cancel. Okay. So if we cancel like this, what we will get? We will get root 3 into x equals to xy. So we got the answer now. Xy answer we got, that is the third side of the triangle. Okay. We got third side of the triangle, that is xy. Xy, what is the answer? Root 3 into x. But still problem is there. We need to find out these two angles, yxz, yzx. The two angles we need to find out. We will find out now. Okay. Yes. So first we will take first angle, that is angle yxz equals to this angle we need to find out. Okay. Yes. So where is that angle? I will mark in the diagram here. Now let angle yxz equals to theta. Yxz equals to theta. This one yxz. This angle I am taking as theta. So we are thinking as theta. Okay. So if it is theta, then we will take some trigonometric ratio. We have to apply some trigonometric ratio. Let us apply tan ratio. That is tan theta equals to, formula is what? Opposite divided by adjacent equals to, for theta which is opposite x divided by which is adjacent root 3x. X cancel. We can cancel x. So remaining what we'll get, we will write now. Tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. Here nothing will be there, we can write 1. Tan theta is we got as 1 by root 3. Then tan theta equals to 1 by root 3 in tan ratio. For what angle we will get? We know that tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So I wrote here tan 30. Now by comparison, tan. In the place of theta, what we have? 30 we have. So theta answer we got now. Theta answer we got. That is theta equals to 30 degrees. Theta means what? Observe here, theta. Y, X, Z. So therefore angle Y, X, Z equals to 30 degrees. We got the answer. Yes? Okay. So one angle we got. Next we need to find out the second angle. What is the second angle? The second angle is this one. Y, Z, X. So yes. Now observe here. We know that the sum of angles of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. This we know, 180 degrees. We know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. Now observe here, this is 90. And theta we got 30. 90 plus 30, 120. Remaining here 60 will be there. Okay. So that one I am going to write now. Okay. So now angles names will write now. Angle X, Y, Z plus, which is angle X, Y, Z? X, Y, Z, this angle. Next second angle, Y, Z, X plus, what is Y, Z, X angle? Y, Z, X, this angle. That only you have to find now. Third angle, Y, X, Z. Y, X, Z, this angle. This is the third angle. Total how much we have to get? 180 degrees we have to get. Total is 180 degrees we have to get. Okay. First angle is what? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This angle 90 degrees. Plus YZX angle, Y, Z, X. We don't know, so write as it is. Y, Z, X plus Y, X, Z. Y, X, Z. That is theta. Theta how much we got? 30. Equals to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120. Plus Y, Z, X equals to 180. Therefore, angle Y, Z, X equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees equals to 60 degrees. So finally we got the angle of Y, Z, X. How much we got? Y, Z, X is 60 degrees. That's it. So Y, Z, X angle 60 degrees. X, Y, Z angle here 30 degrees. I will mark here. Okay. No need to mark. That's enough. Okay. That's it. Thank you.